everybody, how you doing? It's Lars with Magno Vans. Once again with another video. We have some great vans to show you. We've got a couple different styles of vans, different clients and what their needs were. We're going to take care and go through those vans in this video with you guys today.
Hi, I'm Steve, and I retired in 2018 as a patrol dog trainer from a large law enforcement agency. So we researched on YouTube at different van builds, and we talked to people on the phone. We looked at YouTube videos. We saw that Magno Vans was close to where we are in South Florida. We watched their YouTube videos. We liked some of the van builds that they did. So we took a ride down to Magno Vans, talked to Matt and Lars and Adrian and all the crew here. Found that they were really ethical, and we liked talking to them. We liked the builds, and we gave them a rough plan of what we wanted for the van, and this is what we came up with. We wanted to customize the van, especially for having an air conditioner that could run while the vehicle was turned off, the motor was turned off. We needed a refrigerator, and we needed a toilet to use when we woke up from sleeping in a parking lot. So we talked to Matt about it. Another thing that we wanted was a bed. Instead of me sleeping on top of the kennels on a mat and my wife sleeping on the floor, the crew here added a custom-made bed that fits over the kennels. All we have to do is fold it down, put a mattress over it, and we're good to go with sleeping. We also added a stainless steel refrigerator, the air conditioning, solar panels on the top. Gave Matt an idea of what we were looking to get. Matt worked with us and his crew here and came up with this design. We were very happy with Magno Vans. We talked to Matt originally. Adrian calls us, and we call Adrian and Lars, and they have given us ideas too as far as the interior and the lining of the van. So we've been real happy with the communication here, and we feel we're pretty satisfied with it all.
All right, guys, as you saw, Steve and his dog training / adventure van for himself. We have something completely different here. I'll let you guys check it out.
Hi, my name is Gabriella, and I am a pediatric nurse practitioner with a mobile practice called Heart to Heart Pediatrics. Heart to Heart Pediatrics was started 3 years ago, and it is a mobile primary care practice, all at the comfort of your home. Thankfully to my husband, who had a vision for this practice, he wanted it to grow, literally grow. So we decided to look into a mobile van and completely outfit it to be able to allow families with their children to comfortably come on my van while it is parked in front of their home, to be able to allow me to treat them. So with my husband's vision, he did some research, and we found right here in our neighborhood of North Miami Beach, Magno Vans. He came in, he saw the amazing work that these incredible men do, and you can see their passion and their love for each little detail that they put into each of their vans. We had an idea of how we wanted our van to look, and with their help and their unique design that was pretty cool to see on paper, this was created. The detail from the flooring to the ceiling to the doors, every little bit was such a seamless, easy transition in working with them. I explained that I wanted an exam table. So with the help of Jason, we were able to find the perfect exam table that would fit right here into the van. I explained that I needed to be able to wash my hands in between seeing patients. So I was able to get a sink with hot and cold water. And I also needed all of this storage for all of the things that I needed, above and beyond our expectations of how this van was going to come out. The little features to the way the desk is, with the lighting, is unreal. Another bonus that we did not expect is that I wanted to be able to use this van also for recreation and to be able to have my children be on this van with their friends safely from ride to ride. There was a passenger seat that is actually made for Sprinter that they were able to incorporate in the design of this medical van. So now I can use this van both for recreation and for work, which is a win-win, and we love it even more. Working with all of the people at Mango Vans has been unbelievable. We highly recommend that if you have any vision or ideas for your van, to please bring it here and work with them. Anytime I had a question or a comment or a concern, I would call them and I would get response right away. I am super, super happy and can't wait to be able to take this on the road. Thank you, Mango Vans, for everything. We are super happy and we hope to maybe have future projects together.
All right, guys, like I said, we got so many different vans and projects in the shop. This client sent it right from the dealership. This is a Mercedes Revel built out by Winnebago, but he brought it here directly to us to do some unbelievable upgrades on the exterior of the van for him. Super excited to get started on this. We got all the shipment of the material, and I can go show you a few of the things we're gonna be putting on, give you a glimpse into this future build out for us. As I told you guys before, little surprises about that Revel, what we're gonna style it out. It's already done on the inside, but he brought it to us to style it out as an adventure van. So right behind me, we got Owl Vans hooked us up with some exterior products to throw on the back, and we got skid plates. We have the Agile Off-Road hooked us up with the rip kit we're gonna be setting up. Can't wait for you guys to see what we do to this van to make it the ultimate off-road vehicle. All right, you guys, showed you a few of the other clients' vans that we had in the shop today. We're bringing it back to our standard Mango Vans build out. But obviously with Mango Vans, it's a standard model, but customized to the client's needs and wants. So what we have inside is a beautiful build out. This is more that family van where you can take it on a weekend trips or long trips if you want. But it has everything you're gonna need in it. We have a shower outside, a shower inside, and a bed that folds into a bench. Quick and easy to go from the bench setup that it is now. Super easy, moving these cushions over, and as I showed you in other videos, flip that one time, easy, and it makes a huge bed for you to sleep. Two of you, super comfortable. And you have everything you need in this van, and this is a classic that anybody can get into and make their own little customized ideas that they may have, or that plenty that we still have that we haven't showed you. All right, perfect, you guys. I hope you liked the video today and all the crazy builds that we have in the shop at the moment. A few of them are getting out of here, and we're getting excited for the new builds. So keep checking us out on all the social media, YouTube, Instagram. Give us a like. Some feedback on the video, what else you want to see from us, and looking forward to hearing from you guys.